Hello, welcome to the next part of our learning session 6, which is entitled Dimensions and Annotations. So we are now on part 3 of this learning session. Okay, so now let us go to our presentation. Okay, so we are now on the adding dimensional tolerances. Okay, so during the manufacturing process, the accuracy of the part is an important factor. However, it is impossible to manufacture part with the exact dimensions. Therefore, while applying dimensions to the drawing, we apply dimensions to the drawing. We provide some dimensional tolerances, which lie within acceptable limits. The following example shows you how to add dimension tolerances and AutoCAD. Okay, so now we will create this drawing shown. Okay, so this one. For this, we will go to our AutoCAD application so that we can follow how to make this one. Okay, okay, so first is create this drawing. Okay, so line. Okay, okay, so we will set the line to ortho mode so that it will be straight line. So this is 68. Then we have 9 and 34. Okay, next we will go to the other side. So this is 26. Okay, so this is our reference line for the other side of the vertical line. Just trim this one. Okay, so this. Oh, so then we will add the circle. So it says 17. Reduce to 17. Okay, so, okay, so that one. Then we will trim the other half of circle. Okay, so we'll put other circle which okay, so this is diameter. Okay, we will use diameter. Diameter, then okay, then we will move this one to here. Okay, so I think we got the drawing, so we will not put dimensions on it. Okay, then create a new dimension style with the new tolerances. Okay, so make this one. We'll go to annotate, then this one, dimension style. Okay, so you will be seeing the tab, so you will go to the standard. Then we have to the new dimension style dialog, click the tolerance tab. Okay, so we will create a new one, then let's name this one tolerances. So continue. Then okay, so this is the tab for the new dimension style. Okay, so in the tolerance tab, set the method to division. Okay, so here, so this one, I hope you follow. So we will use a deviation for this one. Okay, then set the precision to 0.00. Then the upper value is 0.0. Then the lower value is 0.05 again. Then the vertical position is middle.
Sir.
Ma'am.
Battery, yung ano,
Doon.
at pwede ito.
Okay, so the vertical position is middle. Then we have to specify the following setting in the primary units: text, symbols, stars, and tabs. So we go to the primary units. Then unit format is decimal. Then the position is 0.00. Then the decimal separator is period. So okay, this is good. We're good to go. So for text, our text height is 2.5. 2.5. Then the text placement. Okay, so text placement is centered. Then the alignment. Okay, text center alignment is horizontal. Okay, okay, so this is good. Then we have to symbol and arrow tab. The arrow size is 2.5. Then the center mark is line. Okay, okay. Then click OK on dimensions diagram set current. Okay, then as this one as current, and close the dimension, apply dimensions to the drawing. Okay, so let's apply. Okay, let's apply the dimensions. So as you can see, there is a plus and minus. So this will be the tolerances of each dimension. Okay, so plus minus 0.05. Okay, here. Here. Okay. Then to here. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, so what's this one? Okay. Then we have ridiculous. Okay, so going back. Okay, so I made some signature. Okay, so the reviews. This one. This one. Then we have the diameter. Diameter of this one. Okay. Okay, so I think we're good. So this is the dimension of the drawing that we made. Okay. Okay. So okay. So we'll check the time. So we are on 9 minutes. So it's okay. So we can go to other topic. Okay. So I'll save this one. Then this will be saved as the file name of tolerances. See? Okay. Next is we are on. Okay, so first we need to go to our presentation. Okay, so our next topic is the geometric dimensioning and tolerance. Okay, so earlier you have learned how to apply tolerances to the size. Okay, so dimensions of the component. However, the dimensional tolerances are not sufficient for manufacturing a component. You must give tolerance values to its shape, okay, orientation, and position as well. The following figure shows a note which is used to explain the tolerance value given to the shape of the object. Okay, so like this one, note the vertical page should not differ over 0.08 from the horizontal page. Okay, so providing a note in a drawing will be confusing. To avoid this, we use geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, G, D, and T symbols to specify the tolerance values to shape, orientation, and position of the component. Okay, so the following figure shows the example represented by using the G, D, and T symbols. In this figure, the vertical face to which the tolerance frame is connected must be within two parallel lines. Okay, so this one of 0.08 apart and perpendicular to the datum reference horizontal plane. So this one. Okay, so the geometric tolerance and symbols that can be used to interpret the geometric conditions are given in the table below. So this one. Okay, so the purpose is to represent the shape of a single feature. Okay, so straightness, this one. Then we have flatness, so this is the symbol. So just follow the symbol being used. Okay, so this is important. The cylindricity, so this one. The circularity, okay, the profile of the surface, then the profile of a line. Okay, so we have the purpose is to represent the orientation of feature with respect to another feature. Then we have parallelism, this one. Then the perpendicularity, the angularity, the position, the concentricity, and coaxiality. To represent the position on a feature with respect to another feature, we have runout. So this one. We have the total runout, then the symmetry. Okay, so we are now on the example. Okay, so in example, we will apply a geometric tolerances to the following drawing shown below. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, create a drawing shown below. So this is our final drawing. So we need to create this drawing. Okay, we'll go now to our AutoCAD application to draw that one. Okay, so we're good. Okay, so check. Um, okay, so we will go to new tab, new drawing tab. Okay, so let's close the existing one. Okay, so okay, so we will create this one. This drawing. Okay, so for this one, we have 30. Then we have 20. And we have here 20. Okay, so let's take this line. So this is I think circle the diameter is 16. Okay. So we have 50. Then we will create an offset of 8 to have a 16 diameter. Okay. So this one, then let's make this line the this one is a broken line. So let's load the broken line. Okay, so I think this is it. Okay. Okay, so that one. So it's a bit small, so let's find another line here. Slow. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, so it's bigger. Okay, the other one. Okay, so let's try another. That one is mm, it's one. So that's what I. Okay, so let's buy. Okay, so we will use this one. Okay, so then what's next? Click annotate. So annotate, then dimensions, annotation, tolerance. So okay, so this is okay. So dimensions, then we'll go to tolerance. 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 Okay, then here. So then we can tell back with the upper box. The symbol in upper box. So the symbol. Okay, so this one. Okay, so those are the symbols. The symbol dialog box. Click the perpendicularity symbol appear. Okay, so this one. Okay, then next, click in the top left box and the tolerance 1. Okay, top left box. Okay, so this one. Then enter 0.05 and box on diameter to the diameter symbol. Okay, so this one is diameter symbol. Okay. Enter in the upper box of the datum. Datum 1. Okay, so this one. Then click OK and position the virtual control frame as shown below. Okay, so frame here. Start the datum box. Okay, so this one. Next, you must add the reference on the home tab, home ribbon tab. Expand the annotation panel, click multi-leader style. Then, so we need to, sorry. Okay, the home ribbon annotation, then have to click the multi-leader style, then new button, it new dialog, say the type tolerance, okay, and then click continue. In the leader format, tab select arrowhead, so click the triangle, the triangle, triangle fill, okay, let's the size to 2.5. Then on the leader structure tabs in the leader points, leader points two. Please click the content tab and select type to black. Okay. Next, select the source black and box. Okay, set the scale to 0.75. Then click OK. Then set current and close. Okay, so on the home ribbon tab, home, click annotation, then multi-leader. Then the first and second points on the datum reference are shown. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this one. The person's edit attributes dialog, set the type enter that number, then click OK. Okay, so that one. Okay, so I think we got it right. Okay, so I think okay. And just okay, so that one. Okay, so I think we're done for this one, the geometric tolerances. Okay, so let's check the time. So we are now on 20 per minute. Okay, so I think okay, so we will continue for this one. So let's try. I will save this one first on the geometric tolerance, geometric dimensioning and tolerance. Okay, so let's save this one first. This geometric dimensioning and tolerance. Okay, so save. Okay, so next we are now on the editing dimensions by stretching. So let's see the okay, so this is not Uh, okay, so go this one. So let's close this one to have a new draw. Okay, so the new one. Okay, so let's go back first to our learning. Okay, so we are now on the next topic for this one. So we are now on the editing dimensions by stretching. Okay, so in AutoCAD, the dimensions are associated to the drawing. If you modify a drawing, the dimensions will be modified automatically. In the following example, you will stretch the drawing to modify the dimensions. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's go to our AutoCAD. Okay, so create the drawing as shown below and apply dimensions to it. So this one, so okay, so this is 50. Okay, so then 11. Okay, sorry, the 50 is on the center of the line, so we'll erase this one. Okay, so okay, so next is create a circle. Circle the reduces 12.5. Okay, reduce of 12.5. Okay, so next we create a circle with diameter of 15. Okay, so I think check. So its diameter of 15 is 12.5. Okay, okay, so we are good. Then next is we draw a line here. Reduce is okay. A circle will reduce is 10. Then we have a diameter of 10 also. Okay. So next is we create a line offset of this is 5.5 to make it 11. Okay, so next is start trim. Okay, so trim, trim. So you can just delete the remaining lines, unwanted lines in the drawing. Okay, so just erase this one. Okay, okay, so this is not the drawing, so we need to add the dimension as stated. So linear. Okay, so this is 50. Then this is 11. Then we have the reduce of 12.5. Then reduce 10. Then we have a diameter of 15, then another diameter for this one. Okay, so this is now our drawing. So same as here. Then next is we have to click home. Okay, then we have to modify. Then we have to stretch. So this one. Okay, drag a window and select the right side of the circles and the horizontal lines. Okay, so this one, drag this one, first point, sorry. So this is first point, then second. Right click on the select select point on the right side circles. Right click and select the center, so this one. The pointer to stretch the will notice the depth center it also changes. Okay, so why not? Okay, sorry, so let's go again. Stretch. Okay. So from here, okay. Then we have to right click. Then we have to center the point. There is a more click and enter stretch. You will notice okay, modifying type 30. It's type 30. 30. 30. Okay, so it moves to this one. But the problem is this one. Okay, so we need to check. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so it must be this one must be selected. So maybe we need to so maybe we go from here. Okay, then right click the base. Okay, then we type 30. Okay, so but problem is okay, so let's go back again. Modify stretch. Then we have to select. Then right click this the second point or first point is third. If nothing happened, so again until we get this one. Okay, so we have to select objects so duplicate selected, then we have to second point 30. Okay, so the problem is this one. So maybe we can just stretch. Okay, so I will try to try this one again. Okay, so let's include this one. Then first point, then 30. Okay, so maybe we can just extend this one. So maybe this is the right thing. The important here is the dimension that it changes. Okay. Okay. So I think we are good. Okay. So let's save this one. Okay. Save as. So this is modifying dimension by trimming and extending. Okay, so let's save this one. Okay, so let's check the time. So it's 36. I think I can still continue. So this is trimming. So let's see if we have more topics for this 86 so that we can manage our time. Okay, I think this okay, so let's go to next part. Okay, so I think this is it for the part 3 of this learning session. So our next topic will be the unmodifying dimensions using trim. Okay, so that's trim. Okay, so thank you for watching the this video, and I hope you will meet again on my next video. Thank you.